Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in eFootball. To change your name in eFootball, launch the game open and let it load to the main home screen. Once you end up in the home screen, click on Extras at the top right. Now click on User Information. Click on User Detail and you will be able to open up this page. Go ahead and tap on your current name at the top and type down the new name you'd like to use or change to. Once you are done, click on OK and click on Change. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will be able to change your name right away in the game. Now get back on the field and make that new name legendary. That was how you can easily change name in eFootball. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.